Okay, my people, I got a few requests to make a basic potato salad. Basic potato salad. So follow me in the recipe, and you can add more ingredients or leave some of these out. So depending on how many people you have, usually this size of potatoes you need like two per person. So depending on how many you have, two potatoes per person, medium potatoes, should be enough. And now we're gonna chop these potatoes in little squares or chunks, not too small, but you can't leave it too big because we're gonna boil this, and we need them to cook fast. So we're gonna cut them about this size. You see, this is the size that I'm looking for. Let me show you here. This is the size I'm looking for. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the rest of my potatoes here, and this is gonna be the basic recipe. So this is the potatoes all chunked up. This is the perfect size. And remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let your families and friends know about this channel. So we're gonna put these potatoes in water here, and to the water I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil just to prevent them from sticking to each other, and a round circle of salt, just plain salt, and that should be it. We're gonna mix this well, and now we're gonna go to the stove and boil these potatoes for a little bit. So we're gonna put them here on the stove, and we're gonna turn the fire on here. Let's go. Okay, there you go. In high. So I'm gonna boil these potatoes in high. Eventually I'm gonna lower to medium, but until this actually comes up to live, I'm gonna put them in high until it starts boiling. Once it actually starts boiling like this, then we go back and turn it down. It's gonna be like a little above medium, maybe medium high. And it's gonna be about 20-30 minutes depending on your stove, but I'll say 20 minutes. And we're gonna make sure that you see how they start to break like that? So after 20 minutes, they should be something like that. And we'll turn the fire off here. And how do you know the potatoes are done? Well, they should be breaking easy. And if you take a fork, they should be able to see, the fork should be able to go in easily and also just break the potato like that. And this is ready. So we drain the water, and we're gonna add some mayonnaise. So a few big scoops of mayonnaise depending on how you like them. But this is pretty much the only ingredient you need. So it's gonna be the potatoes and mayonnaise, just like that. And if you use a big fork like this one, what you want to do, you're gonna some of those potatoes you want to mash them, not all of them, because this is not mashed potato. This is a potato salad. So we're gonna move this very well, and here and there I'm gonna smash a few of these big chunks to make it thicker until I get to the right consistency. I like to add a little bit of salt and pepper here, 50-50 salt and pepper, and I'm gonna mix this well. And this is the basic recipe for potato salad. Now from here, people like to add olives or green peppers, red peppers. That's up to you, whatever you're gonna add. But this is the basic potato salad. Now I'm gonna add this pico de gallo that I have with green peppers, red peppers, tomatoes, onions. It has olives in there as well. So I'm gonna add a little bit because I like it. But if you don't like it, you just can leave it plain like that, or you can add something else. Whatever you like, you can add to your potato salad. Remember, this is your potato salad. You add whatever you want. It's you who's gonna be eating it. So I like it this way. My kids like them plain, so I'm not gonna mess it up. And this is the presentation. This is a beautiful potato salad, not mashed potatoes, potato salad. And I hope you enjoy it. Remember to like the video if you liked it. Share this channel with your friends and family, and ask them to subscribe.